So today's Sunday and the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show starts on Wednesday. So we're going to take you through what it looks like about a week before the show. Now they started building this a week ago and everyone is still moving in. So we are at the far south end of the show and we're going to finish at the far north end of the show where my display is later today. So come on. Now at what they call the face dock, and that's where I'm going to turn around. So you have Princess here and it goes all the way down, and that's where you typically would catch the water taxi. Where this is right where Ocean, this is the Bahia Mar Yachting Center, and we're going to walk all the way down here, and our display is as far as you can go. In fact, today we won't be able to walk to our display on the docks because there's a bridge that connects the two, and that's not connected yet. So we're gonna have to walk out onto the street and then walk to it. But we are at the Sunseeker booth, so this is where I used to work. And now we are just gonna keep on walking down the face dock. Past the manufacturer sites, we're now at the brokerage site. So at this end of the marina and the show are all brokerage yachts. So we'll keep on walking. We're headed towards our display. About this again, today is Sunday, the show opens on Wednesday, and I mean, look how much stuff still has to be moved in. I mean, you'd be amazed how these guys work around the clock to get stuff moved in. I like to be a little more prepared, so our team has been moved in a little early, but let me turn this around. Polishing, cleaning, boats are still moving in. That's just crazy. So here's what I was talking about. This is Denison's display, and all of this will connect to my display using this bridge. But because you've got boats still moving in and docks moving in, they won't connect these until almost the day of the show. So now we're gonna walk all the way down to Hall of Fame Marina, go out on the street, and walk over to that structure right there where our display is. We are now at the brand new Las Olas Marina, and I mean, this is a beautiful marina. They've got floating docks. This is the facility here behind us. So brand new Suntex Marina, and my right here. So we're the farthest north of the show possible. But easy entrance.
So have you ever wondered how the boat show goes from this to this? Well, let's check it. just like that, we're ready to go.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the preview of the show. As you can see, it is really windy today, and it is going to be windy for the rest of the show. So hopefully everybody hangs on tight. In fact, it's a nice reprieve having some wind because it's always so hot. So we will see you guys at the show. We'll bring you lots of great tours, so tune in. Thanks, everyone.